Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss tangents and normal of application of derivative class 12th. Now to cover maximum type of question with detailed explanation of each subtopic, I have divided this topic under 4 videos, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the topic slope of tangent, slope of normal, equation of tangent, equation of normal, and point of contact. Let's begin. First, slope of tangent. Now, if we have a function y is equal to f of x and there is a point of contact. By point of contact, we mean that the point at which tangent touches the curve. For slope of a tangent at particular point, it is given by its derivative, that is dy by dx at the point h comma k. Then slope of the normal, we know normal becomes perpendicular. Slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 upon में slope of tangent, or we can write it as minus 1 upon dy by dx at the particular point, that is h comma k, or we can simplify it as minus dx by dy at the particular point h comma k. This is the slope of the normal. Now if we need to calculate the equation of the tangent, we require two things, that is first is point that is h comma k, and the slope of tangent that is represented by m. Then in that case we know y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. We are going to use this and write the equation of tangent, that is y minus y1, h comma k represent x1 and y1, so y minus k is equal to slope x minus h. This is the required equation of the tangent. And similarly, if we need to calculate equation of the normal, it's just same as equation of tangent. The only thing changes is its slope. Y minus k equal minus 1 upon m x minus h. And next is point of contact. There is no such direct formula for finding the point of contact. It is just finding the missing point when you are given any such condition like slope of tangent, slope of normal, equation of tangent, or equation of normal. Clear? We will be going to discuss question related to slope of tangent, slope of normal, and point of contact from your NCERT. Let's move to the first question, that is find the slope of tangent to the curve y is equal to this at x equals to 4. See, हमें यहाँ पे कर्व की इक्वेशन दे रखी है y is equal to 3x की पावर 4 minus 4x. We know slope of tangent is just its derivative, so differentiate with respect to x, it will become y will become dy by dx. So 3x की power 4 will become 3 multiply 4x की power 3 minus 4, that is 12x की power 3 minus 4. We have been given dy by dx, हमें एक point दे रखा है, that is x equals to 4. Replace x as 4 in the given dy by dx. 12 4 cube minus 4, it become 12 multiply 64 minus 4, that is 768 minus 4, that is 764. This is the required slope of the tangent. Let's move to the next question, that is find the slope of a tangent. Again we need to calculate the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 1 divided by x minus 2. X is not equal to 2 at x equals to 10. Just we need to calculate its derivative. Y is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. We will apply u upon v. Y will become dy by dx. Here u as it is x minus 2. d by dx of x minus 1 is 1 minus x minus 1 as it is, d by dx of x minus 2 is again 1, whole divided by x minus 2 whole square. Just simplify it. It will become x minus 2 minus x plus 1 upon में x minus 2 whole square. X and x got cancel. We are left with minus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. This is equal to dy by dx. हमें यहाँ भी पॉइंट दे रखा है x equals to 10. So dy by dx at x equals to 10 will become minus 1 upon x is 10 minus 2 whole square. So it become minus 1 upon 8 square, that is minus 1 by 64. This is the required slope of the tangent. Let's move to the third question, that is find slope of the tangent to the curve y equals to this at x equals to 3. So we have been given y equals to x की power 3 minus 3x plus 2. Just differentiate it. It will become dy by dx, that is equal to x की power 3 will become 3x square minus 3x will become 3. And we have been given that x is equal to 3. So dy by dx at x equals to 3 will become, replace x as 3, 3 square minus 3, 27 minus 3 will become 24, and this is the required slope of tangent. Let's move to the next question, that is question 4. Find the slope of a tangent. Again we need to calculate slope of the tangent to the curve y equals to this at the point whose x coordinate is 2. देखो simple, we have been given a curve y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1, differentiated with respect to x, dy by dx, it will become 3x square minus 1. Now in this case we have been given x coordinate is 2. So dy by dx at x equals to 2 will be equal to 3 into में 2 square minus 1, that is 12 minus 1, and we get the answer as 11. This is the slope of the tangent. Let's move to the fifth question, that is find the slope of a normal. In this we need to calculate the slope of normal to the curve. x दे रखा है, हमें y दे रखा है at theta equals to pi by 4. See, सबसे पहले हमें x दे रखा है a cos cube theta. We know to find the slope of a normal we need to calculate the slope of tangent. So it will become dx by d theta is equal to a into में 3 cos square theta, and cos का डिफ्रेंसिएशन होता है that is minus of sin theta. So थोड़ा सा इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके लिख दिया, it's become minus 3a cos square theta into में sin theta. Next we see we have been given as y is equal to a sin cube theta. So differentiate with respect to theta, it will become a as it is, multiply 3 into में sin square theta, and sin को again differentiate करते हैं, it will give us cos theta. So थोड़ा सा इसको भी हमने simplify कर दिया, it become 3a sin square theta into में cos theta. We know slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx. Mark it as 2, and इस equation को हमने 1 mark कर दिया. Divide 1 and 2. अगर हम 1 और 2 को divide करेंगे, so dy by d theta upon dx by d theta will be equal to 3a sin square theta into में cos theta divided by minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. इस sin theta से ये sin theta कैंसिल हो गया, cos theta से cos theta कैंसिल हो गया, 3a से 3a कैंसिल हो गया. So you are left with dy by dx that is equal to minus sin theta upon में cos theta that is equal to minus of tangent theta. Now we need to calculate dy by dx at theta equals to pi by 4. Just replace theta as pi by 4, so it gives us minus 1. We know tangent 45 is 1 और minus दे रखा है, तो it will become minus 1. Now we know this is slope of tangent. This is minus 1. Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon में slope of tangent. This is minus 1 divided by minus 1, that is 1. So slope of a normal to the given curve is 1. Clear? Let's move to the next question. Find the slope of normal. Again हमें slope of normal calculate करनी है. To the curve हमें x दे रखा है, हमें y दे रखा है. At theta is equal to pi by 2. See again हमें x दे रखा है 1 minus a sin theta. We will calculate dx by d theta. 1 का डिफ्रेंसिएशन 0 हो गया, माइनस ए साइन थीटा को का डिफ्रेंसिएशन हो गया कॉस थीटा. नेक्स्ट हमें y गिवन है इज इक्वल टू बी कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. इसको डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं. dy बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू बी एज इट इज 2 इंटू में कॉस थीटा एंड कॉस को अगेन डिफ्रेंशिएट करा, इट गिव्स अस माइनस ऑफ साइन थीटा. Mark it as 1 and mark it as 2. If we divide 1 and 2, we will get LHS as dy by dx and this will be minus 2b cos theta into sin theta divided by a of cos theta. Cos theta से cos theta cancel हो गया. So you are left with, this is minus a cos theta, minus से minus cancel हो गया, 2b upon a into में साइन थीटा. सो डी वाई बाई डी एक्स हमें इस क्वेश्चन में थीटा दे रखा है, थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 2. सो इट बिकम 2b बाई ए एंड साइन पाई बाई 2. हमने थीटा को पाई बाई 2 से रिप्लेस कर लिया. सो साइन 90 इज 1. सो वी गेट 2b अपॉन ए एज अ स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल. सो slope of normal become minus 1 upon slope of tangent, that is minus 1 upon 2b by a. Just reciprocal it. Minus a upon में 2b is the required slope of the normal. Wasn't that easy? This is the end of tangent and normal part 1. Keep practicing the question and I will see you with the next video very soon. Till then, like this video and share among your friends also. Bye bye.